Alright, today let's take a look at the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Very nice. Alright. So we have a very nice toolkit inside. We see that we have, looks like the only real tool we're going to need here, a two-sided screwdriver piece, magnetic, very nice. We've got our wall installation plate with the warning to turn off the power to heating and cooling systems before installing. It's very important. We don't want anyone trying to do this themselves to get electrocuted. And we can see this is where our cables are going to come through and then plug into our inlets. We've got two screws for our back plate. And let's find our back plate. There we go. And as you can see, we have a mounting bracket. Screws to mount this back plate to our room facing plate, along with our inlet, screws, and our thermostat. So there you go. Let's take a quick look at what we can expect to see on the wall. So we're just taking a look here at what the inside of the thermostat is going to look like as we go to hook it up. So as you can see, we have several marked line inputs on the sides, and coming from your wall you're going to have a number of leads. There's an instruction pamphlet in the packaging that's going to tell you which color of these wires is to go into which lead. So you're just going to want to make sure that you follow that, or look up the many YouTube tutorial videos out there on connecting the Nest, and I think you'll find it fairly easy to connect up. You'll see that getting this mounted squarely, there's actually an integrated balance, which is very nice for making sure that it looks as aesthetic as I'm sure you're hoping. And once this is installed, the entire back plate will mount afterward. So again, this is going to mount first, and then the back plate will mount after. Alright, we're going to take a look at what startup looks like when we first install our Nest. So we see that we get the G Google symbol. Alright, so we get a language selection screen. So we'll select that we're in the US. It's just going to walk us through. You're going to want to do equipment. Are you a Nest Pro? No, we are a homeowner. We see that it can see what is plugged in, our heating, our cooling, our fan, and our power. So we should be good to go. Do we use gas, electric, oil, propane? Use gas. We're going to connect this to the internet. Ask it whether it needs to heat or cool. Have you set your eco temperatures? We're done. all done.